Welcome. This is a beginner-friendly step aerobics workout. If you enjoy this class, be sure to subscribe to my step aerobics channel called Step with Bird. If you don't have a step, just do it without one by stepping forward instead of up. As always, feel free to modify or skip anything that doesn't feel right today. Let's begin marching, lifting the knees as high as you comfortably can.
Show me what you can do. If I let you can do, show you go fit and do down. Make I show you what I can do. Long as you come through, I go give you bamboo down. Baby, your body they for my eye. Baby, your body they for my eye. Girl, you know so you are murder.
And we'll get ready to step out to the left, back to center, then step to the right in 3, 2, 1. Step to the left.
Tell me what to do, girl, I'm for real. Girl, I've been scheming, plotting, planning. Fuck up plan A and move to plan B. Come anytime, the perfect timing. And you should take a chance and try me. It should be upon me that you're whining. No other girl can satisfy me. Girl, me and you could be vibing, but you keep playing these games and hiding. Fine like a motor. She get the money like a $10. She want get the more dollar. She know they find at the body.
We'll come back to marching.
Say she be foreigner, and these days she done the popular. She say she no get no time for me now. She know the answer when I'm calling her.
Left basic, up, up, down, down.
Make I show you what I can do. Long as you come through, I go give you bamboo down. Baby, your body they for my eye. Baby, your body they for my eye.
Knee lift in 3, 2, 1.
It's Kelpie vibes.
Yeah. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Angelina, you the cool in my.
Now we'll do a leg curl. Option to add in the arms.
So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, with my Angelina. Oh me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know no safety when you carry 50 kill somebody. You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me. Yeah, and I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love on the low.
Coming back to left basic.
On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature.
Back to marching. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, release them back down.
I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Oh,
Great, get ready to step out to the right, back to center, out to the left. In 3, 2, 1.
Gonna put a ring on your finger too. And be a better guy. Be a better guy. On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever.
Back to marching. Option to play with the arms. Great, get ready, right basic. Knee lift in 3, 2, 1.
Shake you. I still dey start your case you. You cannot go make a mistake you. And if you leave, I could praise you. You been a setup. You don't do your booty, now your body better. I no go live, I never make a no regret. Every day different palava. The other day when I jam Natasha, just say I give Lala day banana.
Leg curl.
One time for my baby, you. You know Sunday or Wendy, you. Coming like on Yeta or Wendy. And if you give, I could take you. Oh, shake you. I still dey study your case, you. You cannot go make a mistake, you. And if you leave, I could praise you. Because you be my order. I put something for your hands. You give me some another. You go be my baby, man.
Let's march it out. Inhale the arms up. Exhale down. Nice deep breath cycles.
But if you use me, Shannon, no go pick your car. So make you no go tell me at all. Say my baby.
Next, lead with the right side, kick back, corner to corner.
And if you give, I could take you. Oh, shake you. I still dey study your case, you. You cannot go make a mistake, you. And if you leave, I could praise you. Because you be my order. I put something for your hands. You give me some another. You go be my baby mama.
Toe tap, corner to corner. Back to marching. Left side leads, kick back, corner to corner. Toe tap, corner to corner. Great, back to marching. Slow it down. Inhaling the arms up. Exhale, release them down.
Before with them on Jesus. My country problem it passes us.
Begin to toe tap the bench.
Because now we be our own problem. Now who can reason well. Ambassador go the check. And governor go the check. And president go the check.
Great, now stepping side to side.
Some people go somersault. Them dirty headache we go drink Panadol. Meanwhile president go the check. And governor go the check. Now they money day. The tiffy come major. We make the suffer come day. Suffer yakbam tukun. Tukutum, where they make people sukun. Tukutum, money in one.
And we'll march, inhaling the hands up. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side stretch towards your right. Inhale to center. Exhale to your left. Release, take the feet wide and begin to sway the arms side to side.
Some people go somersault. Them dirty headache we go drink Panadol. Meanwhile, president go the check. And governor go the check. My people self they fear too much. We fear the thing we not see. One day all of us go.
Back to center, heel to the step or to the floor. Toes point up. You can stay here, hinge forward till you feel a gentle stretch. Nothing more.
Slap you, you go the fear. Fight for your picking them, you go the fear. We go the fear.
And we'll switch sides.
Ambassador go the check. And governor go the check. And president go the check. When I say make we jump.
Release, begin to take the feet wide. Forward fold till you feel just a gentle stretch. Maybe even swaying side to side. Option to even come into a malasana, so a little squat here.
Mr. Clap on the bit.
Fine like a motola. She get the money like a $10. She want get him more dollar. She know they find anybody we go control her. Nah, say she be foreigner. And these days she done the popular.
Release, slowly come all the way up, hands reach up overhead.
Baby, show me what you can do. If I let you can do, show you go fit and do that.
Exhale, release the hands. Inhale, reach. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining.
Baby, a body they for my eye. Girl, you know say you a murder them, you a real killy. El Chapo. Girl, it be you be the talk of the town, really. Girl, everybody they look when you enter the building.